Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious coffee frappe. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 cup of cold milk, and about 1 cup of ice cubes. Make sure you have a blender, a tall glass, and a spoon ready. Choosing a good quality instant coffee will truly elevate the flavor of your homemade frappe, making it extra special and satisfying. Let's get started. Now, let's create the rich coffee base for our frappe. In a small bowl or cup, combine 2 level teaspoons of your chosen instant coffee with 2 level teaspoons of sugar. Next, add 2 tablespoons of hot water to this mixture. Using a spoon or a small whisk, stir vigorously for about 30 seconds. You'll see it transform into a beautiful, frothy, light brown cream. This step is crucial for that authentic frappe texture. With our coffee base ready, it's time to bring everything together in the blender. Carefully pour the frothy coffee mixture into your blender jar. Now, add 1 full cup of cold milk and approximately 1 cup of ice cubes. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds. You're looking for a smooth, thick, and creamy consistency without any large ice chunks. This is where the magic happens. Congratulations, your delicious coffee frappe is now complete. Carefully pour the thick, creamy beverage into your favorite tall glass. For an extra special touch, you can garnish it with a swirl of whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, or a light sprinkle of cinnamon. Serve it immediately to enjoy its refreshing coolness and rich flavor. This homemade frappe is perfect for a warm afternoon treat or a delightful pick-me-up. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.